Okay, so let's dive. You can invite any people you want to invite. Okay, so let's look at gold. Let's look at gold first. Let's look at gold. First of all, so this is what I've marked out for gold. I'm not interested in anything that is happening here. I'm only interested in the swing high and the swing low. So this is the swing high, this is the swing high, this is the swing low. Swing high means the highest high. This is the highest high for gold, and this is the lowest. Looking from the daily time frame, see, looking from the daily time frame, you see, this is the swing high. So come down back to 15 minutes. That's where I usually take my trade from. So come down back to 15 minutes. Where I do take my trade from. Like I said, I had to mark the chart so that we can look at more pairs. So currently, this is the chart. This is the swing low. This is the high. There is there is a change of character here that shows like the market wants to go down. So there's a change of character here that shows that the market wants to go down here. But I can't sell. No, but I can't sell from this end except the market comes and tap into this reason. So why did I choose this place as my sell zone? Let me give you the reason why I choose this place as my sell zone. This is FBG. SVG actually means imbalance. So at this imbalance point, there's every tendency that anywhere there is an imbalance, the market will feel the imbalance. That is, let me look for my tools. Let me look for my tools so I can join things. A part arrow. I need arrow, arrow. So there's every tendency that the market will do something like this to fill this imbalance. So I'm expecting a fill of this imbalance to this point. And once you get to this point, we can sell this market downward. So once you get to this point, you can sell this market downward. Some people will ask me, Samson, why can't you just buy since you are certain that the market will come up to this point? Why can't you just buy? I didn't see any reason why I have to buy here. I didn't see any reason why I have to buy here. So the only time I want to see buy is when I see, let me look for a part tools part. Okay, good. If I see something that breaks this, or if this market will come down and come to this point here, come to this zone, this is a deep zone, come to this zone, then I want to buy the market back like this, back to this point. But for now, since it's going up, I allow the market to do its thing. So for now, since the market is going up, we wait for the market to come and tap into the zone, then we sell the market down back to the zone. So this is exactly what we are looking for. But for now, I can't really say when this will happen. So let's leave it. Or let's look at another lower time frame to see if there's anything. Let's see. See, the market is telling us to buy here from a 5 minutes point, which it has tapped into, but I don't like trading from 5 minutes point. If I'm trading from 5 minutes point, this is a pure reason to buy. This is a pure reason to take a long. But based on the kind of I will have set a strategy somewhere here. I will have want to take this kind of buy. So let's see if there will be more points to enter. Let's say we can tap into this point, but it has tapped into the zone already. So buying now will make your stop loss looks like this. Let me say you buy now. Your stop loss will now be like this. Will now be like this. And that will be too much. Imagine how many pips as waste. So we don't want to do that. So because we don't want to do that, let's avoid this market for now. Let's look at GU back to 15 minutes. Okay, good. So GU on 15 minutes is there to tap into the buy zone. So let's see it on 5 minutes. There will be a confirmation to buy. There's no confirmation to buy yet. As much as the market is showing bearish from the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, this is a bullish trend. See, that's changed, caused a change of character, caused a change of character. This is a change of character to start going up. This time is still protected. This time is still protected. This is still a more up. So 4 hours. Is the other block that is valid for 4 hours. This other block, but it seems not to be for me. I will have marked this. I don't know why I delete my this thing. I will have marked this, but this is the one that changed the character, make it a bearish. So the market, because there is an FVG here, because there is an FVG here, the market will likely want to do something crazy like this. Where's that part twos? Good. The market will likely want to do something crazy like this to weak out this because of this zone. The three of them looks like a liquidity zone for support and resistance people. This is one, this is two, this is three, this is four. So the market will likely want to take it down and come here to buy up. So that's why that zone seems not to be valid for me. And look at it from 2 hours to get more structure. You see, 2 hours picked that place as a valid zone, but I'm not confident with it. Do you get? I'm not confident with it. So because I'm not confident with it, I will ignore it. I will ignore it. Like I said, I've given you reasons why I don't want to take trade from that end. 1 hour, more refined. Let's see 30 minutes. Let's see. More refined. The zone is getting more valid. Then on 15 minutes, okay, good. On 15 minutes, I'll prefer this. This is a long right. I'll prefer this, but I'll prefer the market to come down more. I prefer the market to come down more and tap into this zone. Then we'll target this high. So let's put our eye on it. So EU, so this is a pure bearish trend. This zone is a valid zone, but it has caused a lot of issues for support and resistance. So it's looking liquidity in my eye now. This is the previous other block I said to sell. It's looking like liquidity. I'm sure the market will wipe it out now. Sure the market will wipe it out. Look at the rubbish that has happened there. There is a lot of trend line liquidity at this point. Pa, pa, pa. Trend line liquidity. If you go to 5 minutes, you'll see it's more valid. You'll see it. Don't mind my charts, how it looks so. I have to make it this way so it will be more easy for us to just call out trade. So we want to see what will happen. This is a valid point to sell there. This is a point to sell, but liquidity, look at it. Market has tapped in, tapped in, tapped in, tapped in, tapped in, tapped in, a lot of tapped in, tapped in, tapped in. So a lot of buy, sell from scalpers has been happening here. So I am so sure the market will take this out. Then it will also take this out. You see, I've marked out stop loss hunt. So there's a lot of stop loss at this point to wipe out. There's also a lot of stop loss at this point to wipe out. So as an SMC trader, what we are looking out for is where is the stop loss that the market will definitely want to take out. So this part is one point, this other part is another part. The market will likely want to take this out, fill this imbalance, also fill this imbalance, then come back here and sell. Remember, this is a bearish trend. So because it's a bearish trend, we only want to sell. If you are buying, whatever you are buying is a correctional move. Looking at the market from this top down, you will notice it's a pure bearish trend. So buying this market is buying a correctional move. So I don't want to sell here because of the liquidity excess here. If not, I will have called out to sell trade. I will have called out to sell trade here. I set this place as another block for sell, but look at the jagbajantis that have happened there. So let's wait for a break of this circle. Then we know what to do from there. Good. This one I've properly tapped into the buy. Oh yeah, UJ. Are we ready? Are we ready? Let me see the overall trend. The overall trend is a bullish trend. Bullish trend. It is a bullish trend. So want to buy this trade. I'm looking for a change of character now. It has tapped into the zone, but I don't want to call buy yet. And so we'll see a change of character. That's fine. I'm coming. I've not called this trade though. I just want to see this one. I want to see this one on 15 minutes. Five nine. I've tapped into the zone, but I'm looking for a change of character to the upside. Because you cannot buy when the market is showing you this is a strong bearish candlestick. This one, this two, this three, very strong. Although it's still in my order block. Still in my good. So if I can see a break of this, a break of this to the upside, then we'll call out a trade for me. This other block is too big for people with small money. So let's wait for a confirmation so that small money people can enter. It's too big to pick this. I'm still waiting. Or we should scalp sell. No, I don't want to scalp. I've never been a scalper. But for scalper, if you're a scalper, yeah, this is a good position for you. If you're a scalper, scalp this trade. For scalper, let me call this trade out for you. So you said direct. Where is text? Entry is direct execution. Entry is direct sale. Stop loss is. Why is this distinction now? XL is 152. .537. TP is 152.311. For scalpers, direct sell, this is XL and this is TP. If you're a scalper, you can scalp this. So I've given out, I've called out one trade. I hope you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? You people should drop something on the chat so I know I'm not the only one here. Sean, let me look training room if these people don't. Okay, you need the swing trade is weak. Swing trade is long. Swing trade is very long. So if you are scalping, you can scalp this trade. I don't think I'm ready to trade swing. Today is Thursday already. I only trade swing trade on Monday. Today is Thursday. So I only give her a day trade. I'll give you a day trade. But this is a scalping trade. If you want to enter, that's it. You can just direct sell it and this is the TP. It's just 1 to 1.5. So it's not the kind of trade I want to take or do. So let's say this is good. So my last point of entry is most times 15 minutes. Good is still buying. Good is still buying. Good is still buying. You should know that EU or GU, they are a very slow trade. So despite the fact that I said this one is a scalping trade, does not mean what's the idea? Okay. Google link. Google link as well. I don't understand. It's possible. Mm-hmm. So can also look at by like I say, there's a lot of liquidity, see, a whole lot. Okay, UJ. See this UJ trade self is a long trade. Whoever take the trade should be in profit now. Whoever take the UJ trade should be in profit now. Whoever take the UJ trade should be in profit now. So, but the main move, we're getting to the main move very soon. We're getting to the main move very soon. The main move will happen somewhere down here. Somewhere around down here. I'll call out the buy when it's set. So we are selling it because of this other block is too big. And I don't want you to buy and the market will still come down to somewhere here. Or to still come down to somewhere here. So what is this? I know this now. The market will still come down to somewhere here. This is where you want to buy from long. This is what I want to take our buy from. So at this point, we have very low stop loss. Then we'll buy to this point. See, this is the kind of trade I want. Where low stop loss, huge this thing. So for now, let's still stay on that one. Let's still look at what will happen here. So let's go back to gold. Okay, like I said, gold is doing exactly what I want. It's doing exactly what I want. I told you guys that to buy up. So we can set our shorts here. We can set our shorts here and wait for it here. Ah, no, I'm sorry. I don't want to call gold trade. Okay, for anybody that wants, let me call it. I don't trade gold, so calling it for people to trade is somehow. We're selling now. So this is a gold trade. Because it will leave a huge FVG here, like it lived here that the market has closed. So the market has finished the FVG, the imbalance at this trade. This long candlestick created an imbalance here. See, the market has come down, feel it. That's what the market is feeling. So once you feel it finish and come back to this level, I'm sure it will respect this supply zone and drop down. So let me call an entry for it. Entry will be place for sell limit. Entry will be 28.923. Then that get murdered this thing. 287, 815. Then entry stop loss, then TPs. Please, on gold, TP should be when you are ready. But this is the best part where I actually want the TP to come to. So 28.057. So that's the TP. So you can take your TP1 at this point. Then put the end one here. So let's look at the UG. I've called out this trade. Hope you guys can see the bars. Yes, you can trade anything if your broker accepts you. Just use 0.01. If your broker accepts you, you can trade anything. Hope you can see the numbers. 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 You didn't sell. Daniel, why are you scared? This is trade. This is this is the financial market. Don't be scared. Take whatever you want to take and go. The one that will win, nobody knows. The one that will also lose, nobody knows. Just make sure you are using proper risk management. Just make sure you are using the proper risk management. That's the thing. This is the UJ. This is the UJ. Like I said, it's not as if when you call UJ scalp, it does not mean it will happen in 1 minute. It means it can take as long as even 30 minutes, 1 hour, because this is a very slow pair. This is a very slow pair. This is a very slow pair. See the way it's moving. See the way it's moving. So for it to get to the point where I want to buy from, can even be like almost the end of my. Ọba onílé ayọ̀. Okay, so this USD card. Okay, this USD card. I want to buy the trade. My trade is looking at it's expecting this other block. It's looking at it's expecting this other block. This trade, these are one of those slow trades. So one of those slow trades. So it's expecting this exact other block to buy up. So we'll come back to it. We'll come back to it. This is the swing eye. This is an equal eye. This is an equal eye. There's a liquidity here. This is an equal high. This is swing high. This is equal high. This is buy side liquidity. So even if we are selling this trade, let's be very conscious. Let's be very conscious. This is also another very slow trade. Another very slow trade. So to get to this, a simple 1 to 2, but it has tapped into this other block. It has tapped into this other block. So if it will keep selling down, fine. But if it will reverse back, we expect it from here. It has tapped into another block already. So if you continue selling, it will likely come back here and retrace the buy to wipe out this liquidity. So to come back here and then do the main push. Now push down to this part. So the trade will likely want to do something like this. So likely want to do something like this. Just come down, come to this place, buy up, wipe out those liquidity, and come down back and continue downward. But if you still do not do that, and it comes to this part and start moving up, I take it, and it happens like this, we will sell from there and comes down to this level. So let me see for 5 minutes. Let me see what for 5 minutes. So I'm being careful because of you guys. If not, I will have call a risk sell from here. Call a risk sell from here to target sell. This is a very long trade. This short, this short. This is a very long trade. This is a very long trade. It has started playing the move already. So you can just sell it. This is also a very risk one. But since it has started working, Since they started working, the stop loss will be too long. I started playing what I want him to do. So I started working. But a lot of liquidity is there. So I usually avoid trade like that. Let me see what this is doing. Whoever take the UJ trade, okay, let's see good. I'm not sure anybody take the UJ trade, so let's see good. Okay, gold has not tapped into that zone. It has not tapped into the zone, so we wait. UJ is almost at CP, giving us a point to buy. Giving us a point to buy. If you're on UJ trade, bring your stop loss. Bring your stop loss down to this part. Bring your stop loss to your entry. If you're on the UJ trade, UJ. If you're on the UJ sell trade, bring your stop loss to entry. That is break even. Don't lock the trade, don't close the trade. Just BE. Just BE. And I'm so confident that it will get to the TP. But BE. Have you seen it? This sell is happening on this. The sell is happening, and to get to this level, it was a late entry for us. It's a late entry for us, so it will do this down because of imbalance here, imbalance here, imbalance here, imbalance here. So to do it to this point, then it will now buy back. And so this is a long trade, but the time has gone. But if it's reverse, then we can sell. And it's still playing. It's playing consolidation game, and SMC traders, we are always skeptical about this. So as an SMC, we are skeptical about this. This is like you want to do head and shoulder. If you are used to trading, this trade want to do head and shoulder, and it's not something we look at when trading. Okay, so let's go to our dish. Please monitor this gold because gold is fast. You see, it's almost there. It's almost there. Keep your eye on each gold. If you are a gold trader, keep an eye on this gold. If you are a gold trader, keep an eye on this gold. So we have an FVG here now. We have an FVG here now. So the market is coming to feel it. Keep an eye on this gold. See? Is there a gold trader here? So I will not be doing what nobody will take. So I will not be wasting time. Is there a gold trader here? Gold trader. People should answer me. Oh. Okay, good. Okay. So monitor your this thing. Okay, so monitor your this thing. That's the point I see as a perfect place to enter to secure your small money. So even if you have $30, how many pips is this? 26 pips. So this is like one to one, two, three, four. This is like 1 to 5. This is what we are targeting. This is TP1 here. TP1 here at this FVG point. TP1 here. Then TP2 here. So okay. This. I'm trying to remove this one. Let's leave it. Okay, so I've checked this now. Yeah, I said I don't want to do anything with these guys. I don't want to do anything with these guys. I'm still playing game. We should break out of that box. But we can sell because of this, to buy because of this. It doesn't make any sense. So that will not be hunt as stop loss.
Mr. Samson, I wish that is 205. Put on there. I will send you the Google link now. No, bro, I'll send you.
How the trader consolidating? See, I'm always not a fan of consolidation trade. This is BTC. To give us reason why we have to sell BTC now, of course. Because I'm interested in this one. This is the kind of trade I do like to take. With a large FVG at the top, the trade is mitigating this. Ah, that cholesterol trade. Let's see.
Yeah, I hear person like this. Na bad part. No, I just na say it go be. The other one, I never call the other one. And if they make mouths.
HOD said he's an asshole.
So the point is, you can't really use this.
Ah, I'm looking for an entry for this.
Who the heck, I mean, who the heck is? I make it go by now. Thank you, sir.
I want to see what will happen.
Yeah, so you take that the same thing.
I pray it break this
But let me
so we can call a trade for this. We'll refine it and call a trade for this. But if it did not break this, we'll call a trade for this to buy. So let's check US oil. Okay, this is my own trade. US oil. Before US oil, there is a UJ trade that will call. Let's see gold. What's gold doing?
I want to make sure on the same page.
Gold is still playing its game. Where is that UJ? Okay.
If I pay, so I don't put anything. I need to move it to the ledger. So I need to confirm this one first. But tomorrow I will enter this physical listing. Physical paper. Once I don't need it. What about that?
Nobody picked this trade now. Why am I checking this? US oil, good. Okay, so now 5 minutes. Ringo, 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 ringo. Everybody, a lot of people will expect a buy from me. A buy from me. A lot of people will expect a buy from me. But I'm seeing liquidity here. So I'm expecting a buy from here. Long now. So me, I'm expecting my on bar. My own bar from here. From here. Then I'll target this eye. So this one I'm expecting my own bar for. The trade that I personally want to take. That's my like. Hey, see this sell. Hey, see this sell. Happened though 5 minutes ago. 5 minutes ago. Tap into the zone, sha. 5 minutes ago. Hey, hey, 100 pips. 100 pips. Um,
Sherry. Then our name should be Alex Agalabi, Sherry. Ah, na wala to much. One thing I want chop you.
Talking as well.
So, say the name should be. You also put Akin to
Just
me.
send the this thing for me.
Let me just message the name. Send me their name appear first. Sherry Akin to the Alex Agalabi. Then 2025 under that thing. This one na the Google map.
I only put the link, Abby.
I don't know why they come with the picture.
Okay. Okay, and that's all.
Yeah, I never go.
I'll send it. I will fix it. This one has happened already, so I should forget about this one for now. So your start is always causing issue for most of you, so I don't need to call a trade on it. Before you will now go and be using another US 30. So this is the last pair I want to look at. Last pair I want to look at. I don't have anything here. I didn't mark out any trade here. So nothing for here yet. Nothing for here yet until because that long day it's like there is news because this long this thing is news. Abi, or is it not news? Same thing happened in GG. See, let me see it in 5 minutes. Oh Jesus, that's too much. For my good people. Oh yeah, good people. Good people. Have you sell? Good people. Good people. Golden boys. Where are the golden boys? Let me see 1 minute. What's happening in 1 minute? Even in 1 minute, is still buying. I'm sure golden boys are seeing the move. Golden boys, are you people seeing the move? Where are my golden boys? I'm not a business of NFP. NFP. I don't do news. I don't do news.
I know, I know people to I've explained something like I've explained to I know for what I know people to this one do this you have to do have I
That's
explained
going
that I
back
was
to
using
laws.
I was using
Back to last game. Giving more room. Scappers will have done enter and out at this point. And when he went back up again, Scappers will enter again and they will go out again. This is already like how many pips? That demo or life account. You don't need to be looking at your chart. You can see it on the chart. This is good this thing that we are posting. It's already 40 pips. It's 50, 60 pips now. Don't close the trade. If you close the trade, I will slap you people. It's 60 pips already.
no one leave on for
Don't worry to hit TP1 now. This TP1, this TP1. This point here is TP1.
wait leave
This
on for
point
later
here.
leave on for later
This point here is a good TP1.
request to securely access leave on for
Abi you people have closed. Have you closed the trade?
leave on for later.
And all of now don't close am. People. Okay, guys, that is all I have for today. I've looked at all the pairs together and we were able to like call out to trade. Let me see what UJ did. Where's UJ? This is UJ. Have you seen it? That UJ finished the TP, he closed the TP, he tapped into the buy zone that I talked about, just that we are not there to look at it. He taps into the buy zone, close the TP. If you took the UJ trade, you have just gotten 1.5/1 ratio. And so we got two trade and we win the two trade. That's all I have for today. And thank you very much. Do well to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Like, invite others for tomorrow. Invite others for tomorrow. And I think we are done for today. We are done. 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 Do you have any question? You can ask me your question. Like I'm on the chat now to look at what's happening. I'm on the chat now. You can see old for this good to this TP1 zone. Then once you get to this TP1 zone, you can BE. You can BE and wait for this point. No, not this point. And wait for this point. And wait for this point. Because they see a large FVG here that the market has not closed yet. So that gives me more reason why the good will still come down to the zone. You ask me why? There's an FVG, a very big FVG at this point. See, I put it there for you to be able to see it. There's a big FVG there. So UJ has hit now. UJ UJ is buying now. It has tapped into the buy zone. This is the buy zone. It has tapped into the buy zone. So this is the long. This is the long for UJ. This is the long for UJ. It has tapped into the buy zone. It has finished the sell scalping and is now on the buy. Is now on the buy. I told you if you're interested in it, watch it. So allow it to come down back to the entry point. This is the entry point. 152309. Let me close this sell because we are done with it. We catch the move and we have made money with it. So wait, let me call UJ for you guys. Wait. It has started, but let's look for the confirmation now. Yes, that's the buy now. That's the buy. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. It has tapped into the zone. But I want to see a confirmation. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. You're scared of the correctional move. This ain't Daniel that is scared. Don't go and take the one that will not lose. Oh. This this thing want to move without me. Although this is the entry 152309. Let me text it. Let's text. It has moved. Oh. 152309. That's the entry. TRY. Please always apply proper risk management. Oh. It's not something. Before you people will say it's something that call. It's not something. Apply proper risk management. This does not mean this cannot fail. It can fail. It can fail. 152236. 152236. That's the stop loss. But it has tapped into it. Then the TP should be open, because I didn't see any proper structure to put my TP. So the TP should be open. But I'm looking at 152, 580. No, no, no. Let me not be too big eye. Let me not be too big eye. Oh yeah, you can buy now. Let me not be too big eye. I'm coming. Let me give you. Calm down, calm down. It has passed the entry. Let me give you another entry. I don't know if you can hear me now. Before you go and buy wrongly, it has passed the entry I called at first. Calm down. Let me give you another proper entry to reduce the pips. Okay, good, good, good. Oh yeah, let's come and enter for me. Set your buy limit. Set your buy limit. Set your buy limit at 152118. That is if it will come down to that level. Stop loss 152. No, 152201. 152201. Then stop loss 152118. Then leave my TP. I will set the TP well back. Keep your TP open. Forget about this number here. So I've recorded another one for you. That is if the market will obey. 152392. Because it has started buying from that from the first entry, point of entry. I started buying from the first point of entry. Don't want to come down back. It's not coming down again. It's not coming down again. I'm not sure. It has tapped into this one. Danny, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not sure it will come down again. I'm not sure because it has caused a break of structure. It has caused a BOS here. So that's all for today. That is all I have for today. Go traders. Then I'm not sure it will come there. You have entered. What did you enter? Did you buy or you sell? Did you buy or you sell? Jesus. Sorry, Daniel. Daniel, don't kill me. Oh. Hey, Jesus. Oh, did you people set stop loss? Let me know. Let me tell you stop loss to use. You enter trade. US 30, US oil, NASDAQ. Which of the one? Deriv. Okay. Let's go back to that UG. You did instant execution, yes. Okay, what did you use as your stop loss? Let me is correct. God kid. God kid, what do you use as your stop loss? Let me know if it's correct. Let me know if it's correct so I can correct it for you. I want to end this live now. I want to end this live. $20 profit in the last USDGP. Okay. Okay, I want to end this call now. Thank you very much for joining. Thank you very much. If you have not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. All the trade I called actually play out. I only call out three trade. Three trade. This is the good. It's almost at CP1. If you have closed, fine. If you have not, it's almost at TP1. So, like I said, this is the TP1. I set a line for it as the TP1 zone. So, and you can still open it for it to come and fill the other FVG. You can still open it for it to come and fill the other FVG. But if you are cool with the TP1, that's fine with you. Then I call, which is the down before the up. The down before the up. I do not understand the stop loss. Daniel, please chat me. So if you are not on the group, you can use the description. You'll see a link there. Join the group and send me a message there. I will definitely respond so I can help you. 15201 15201. Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect. Whoever is 15201, that's cool for your stop loss. That's cool for your stop loss. I don't know when you enter from, Daniel. I don't know where you entered from. You said I entered when I said buy. Okay. Are you in profit or are you in loss? Let me know. Is Daniel in profit or loss? Daniel, please let me know.